As you guys can see up on the screen today, I want to talk a little bit about Pioneer Power Solutions Incorporated. This is ticker symbol PPSI. And one of the main reasons why I want to talk about this stock today is the fact that it just went absolutely insane. This is a stock that we have covered on this channel before. It is one of these, social media darlings. It is one of these potential short squeeze plays that a lot of people are getting hyped up and excited for. This stock, PPSI, has a very, very big following on social media, on Reddit, Twitter. It has a passionate, fan base, investor base, whatever you want to call it, of people that are getting hyped up and excited about pushing the stock price higher and higher and higher, and obviously also making themselves some money along the way. And today they did just that. This stock was up 34% in a single day today, and intraday it was up even more. It was up like around 40, 43, almost 44% at its peaks today, at like around 140 at least my time. And it's crazy, people have been very, very skeptical of whether this thing was going to go up, down, sideways, whatever. And really, when you look at it over the past week, things have been kind of, sideways. I mean, this thing started 5 days ago at 667, headed into today, we were at around 803. So obviously that was still some good gains. We were up like 20% on the week or whatever coming in, right around 20%. But then again, to have an extra 34% in a single day on top of that, this was all of a sudden a very, very crazy day for PPSI. Things have been going well recently. Past month up 48%, past 6 months up 134%, year to date up 172%. And one of the big things here is that we are now passing, what were these old kind of 52-week highs back here. I mean, here's the 1 year, where things kind of peaked out at like $9.60. The fact that we're at $10.79 is very, very good. I mean, this is... Obviously, when you zoom all the way out to like 2011, it was higher than this at points. But in recent memory, last 5 years, which seems like an eternity in the stock market, PPSI right now is kind of in an uncharted territory. And that can be very, very good or very bad. It can mean maybe the stock's getting a little bit overbought, a little bit overvalued or whatever. Or it could mean the momentum and everything behind this stock right now is momentum that we haven't seen, and we're kind of, exploring new territories and still trying to find that ceiling, still trying to find that high. That is also very, very possible, and it's going to be very, very interesting to see how this stock plays out tomorrow, how it plays out the rest of the week, the rest of the month, and into 2022 as well. But I do know that a lot of people are very, very excited over on the Short Squeeze subreddit. People are all talking about this. PPS, I can't believe you guys were up 40%, and I see my comments and posts about selling, waiting for $12. This is way bigger than $12. All you need to do is hold. GME will never happen again because people start selling after 40%. I'm holding for a long time, and I will keep holding to the F moon. So, kind of some broken English there. This guy's obviously very, very excited with the all caps. He's making a lot of money. Things are going pretty good. But yeah, that's the thing. People, a lot of people get into stocks like this to try and recreate, a GME or an AMC situation where you're getting hundreds, if not thousands of percentage gains and returns, not just 40% in a day, not just 60% in a week or whatever, not 134% in 6 months. For these people who see what's happened to some other stocks, that can even be too small. And obviously, that is probably extremely, extremely greedy. That is probably, wishing very, very highly, kind of shooting for the stars. But that is just kind of the case. There is some people who are obviously looking to take profits as soon as they can, who have seen how bad this can go for other stocks, how fast and how quickly this can really turn around. There's been stocks that have shot up and then come crashing back down, even lower to where they started. So you really got to be careful. So there's really people who have a million different strategies, so it's just kind of interesting to read where everyone is at. There are some other posts, PPSI, who's in this? What's your price target? And people say the top comment is holding a few thousand until 25 to 50-ish. That would be pretty crazy. They are saying that shorters are trying to scare them after hours because, again, despite this very, very big day today, this thing is down almost 7% after hours. Now, what is going on there? Is that people profit taking? Is that just, kind of trading on low volume after hours? Is that short sellers trying to scare people and get out of this? Is this just trying to limit the momentum and scare people and prevent it from having a big open to the market tomorrow? Because tomorrow's only Thursday. We still got 2 trading days left in this week. There is still, a lot of time for this PPSI play to play out in either a positive or a negative way. This guy posted, still holding PPSI to $30. He posted that He has 4,000 shares at an average cost of $832 for $4,300 of unrealized gains, which is obviously very, very impressive. And again, if he got this at $832, stock's currently sitting at $1079. You know, he's in a pretty good spot, especially if he thinks it's going to go even higher, especially if he thinks it's going to $30. I mean, that could be some very, very big gains. But yeah, this is, you know, highly upvoted. A lot of exciting stuff going on. Again, a lot of people making money and a lot of people seeing people make money. And when people see people making money, that has the, you know, potential to get them to FOMO in, to get more people to buy in, to get more people hyped up and excited about what could be to come for PPSI, which could make the price shoot up even higher, which is, you know, pretty crazy at this point. This guy says, short squeezes are not necessarily quick. PPSI has been trading sideways for a week till it peaked at 40% on the day. Hold your position. Squeeze is still on. PPSI can definitely reach $20 if you have some patience. You don't lose anything by holding your position. So, you know, just more people in the community. 55 upvotes. This was like the second or third highest upvoted post on the short squeeze subreddit today. They have made a lot of money. They have got some gains. But again, these communities, they always want more. They want more people to be able to make more money. They want more people to get in, and they want the people getting in right now to still, you know, see some decent gains. But also the people who got in previously, the people who, you know, believed in PPSI like 2 weeks ago when I made the first video about it, they want to have their gains flying even higher. Everyone has a different price target. You know, this is always going back and forth. There's going to be good news that shoots it higher. There's going to be bad news that crashes it down. There's going to be short sellers at play. There's just going to be the broader market in general, how overall market sentiment is going. And there's going to be these communities, you know, pushing everything. Just so many different factors, so many different variables. That's what makes this stuff so interesting, so entertaining, and just kind of exciting to watch from the outside. You know, I don't personally own any shares of PPSI. I'm not really looking to buy into it or anything like that either, but I do love just following and seeing what is going on. One of the top comments here saying, we're going to rip so hard in a moment. I feel this is the last dip before the rip. I feel it in my butt. Price 1024 at this point. Price 1340 when you're reading this. $30 tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, just a lot of people getting very, very excited. A lot of people posting these different price targets of, you know, $10, $20, $25, $30, $50, seeing all of these. And then here, the top comment for the day, you guys better hold PPSI this time. Again, the short squeeze subreddit, it's all PPSI. All the posts are talking about, you know, just how well things went for this stock today, how it is short squeezing, how the play is not done yet, how there is more to come, but also celebrating, again, what was a very, very big win today. At one point being up 40%, but still being up around 30, 35, 36% of the day. Obviously nothing to scoff at all. And this post was just getting people very, very excited, you know, telling people to hold, telling people not to sell, telling people to stay strong. So again, they can continue to see those gains up over time. So again, can't wait to see what's going to happen tomorrow. This is definitely a stock I'm going to keep on my radar, something we're going to be following very, very closely. But just know this is a stock with a very, very passionate and very, very excited community and following. It sounds like people are holding. It sounds like people are going to be buying more tomorrow. And we'll have to see what happens. Obviously, it's easy to type out a comment on Reddit. It's another thing to actually put your money where your mouth is. But we will see. I will definitely make another video once this play plays out a little bit further. But that's pretty much every video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about PPSI. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.